What's up, everyone? Hopefully your day is going good. My name is Elijah and welcome to another video produced by Financial Anatomy, the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the Sofi app in this video and how you can invite a friend to sign up for the app so they can use Sofi for banking, and you'll be able to get a referral bonus from doing that if you do it the right way. So let's click on the Sofi app to start out with. And once you're here, click on the person icon in the top left-hand corner. From here, you click on where it says invite friends. And you'll see a few different options. You can invite someone to just have a Sofi banking account. We'll click on that so you can see what I'm talking about. And this will give you a link that you can share with your friends or family. And when they use that link to sign up, you'll get $75 and they'll get $25. Of course, there is a requirement. The person must fund the account with a minimum of $50, and those funds must settle within 21 days. Just click on the share link and then click on copy. This will give you the link that you can share. If you want to keep track of where someone is in the process of signing up, then just click on view my referral stats. Backing out of that, the same thing applies if you want to invite someone to take place in the investing side of Sofi. Click on invest. The same thing applies in this case. Hit the share link and you're good to go. The same applies if you refer someone to get a loan with Sofi just by clicking that button, but I'll be honest, that's not really something that I recommend because I'm not trying to get you guys into debt. So I'm actually not going to click on that and go over that, but the option is there. If you want to learn more about it, you can just click on it and it will describe how it works. I'm just not going to share because I don't want y'all getting into debt. But with that being said, that concludes the video. If y'all have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in signing up for a Sofi bank account or investing with Sofi, you can click the link that's in the description or the pinned comment. If you have any questions about the sign up process, I made a video about that. Just click on the video that's on the screen right now. And I also have a playlist about Sofi on how to do various things inside the app involving banking and investing coming soon. If that interests you, that would be a reason to like this video, as that's greatly appreciated, but more importantly to subscribe if you're new so you'll be notified when I drop an investment video about using Sofi. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.